You post a picture of a delicious cake and then you hear nothing. No one comments, no one purchases. Has this ever happened to you? If you want to know why you're not attracting the right type of clients on Instagram, watch this video. For stress-free cake business tips, don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. So I've definitely been there before. I'll post a picture of what I think is my best seller, an amazing cake, and then no one comments, or worse, I attract discount clients. If you ever find yourself in this situation, there are a couple questions to ask yourself. 1, are the pictures I'm posting of my cakes best representing the quality of my work? People eat with their eyes first. And since Instagram is a very visual platform, you have to be super intentional with the types of pictures you post. You could post a picture of the most delicious cake, but if it has really bad lighting, or there's shadows, or the picture makes it look like the cake is dry and not appealing, you're not going to attract the right client. Now, if you're not the best at taking photos, don't worry. There are ways around this. One example is hiring a local photographer, or if you're on a budget, you can try doing a trade with a photographer. For instance, you can provide suites for their upcoming event in exchange for high quality pictures of your work. Be resourceful. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to get some good pictures. The second question to ask yourself is, am I educating people on what makes my products unique or different? Think about it. How are you describing your cakes in your captions? If you're just writing chocolate cake on your caption, it doesn't tell your client what makes this chocolate cake different from, say, a supermarket. It's your job to educate clients and help them learn what makes you special, what makes you unique, and why they can't get your products anywhere else. The third question you need to ask is, what hashtags am I using? Put yourself in your client's shoes. If you were looking for a cake in your area, what kind of hashtag would you be searching? For example, if you live in San Jose, you might be researching San Jose bakery or San Jose cakes. So make a list of the top hashtags you think your client is researching. Remember that you get 30 hashtags for each picture. So be wise with which hashtags you're using. You don't want it to be super general, such as cake, because anyone from all over the world can research that. You want to get people in your area to find you so that they can book you for their next event. So there you have it, 3 simple questions to ask the next time you post on Instagram so that you can attract your ideal client. If you like this video, make sure to click like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to grab all of my free resources linked below.